Welcome to the Dogwood model at Heartwood at Lake Louise. This beautiful model is just over 5,000 square feet. The first thing I want to show you is that it has a 2-car tandem garage. But wait, there's another 2-car garage side by side right over here. This lot is set back 20 feet so they could add this beautiful circle driveway. Let's head inside. This model is insane. Like I was saying, it's just over 5,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, 2 half bathrooms, and 3 living areas. Let's go check them out. Right here, you're gonna find your main living area with a dining space as well. Behind me, there are 2 slider doors that will take you out to your backyard. Over here, you'll find your second living space, and that could be turned into a game room. It could be a family room, a kid's room, or for the adults. Now let's go to the other side of the house and get that 3rd living area. So here I am walking into your final living area. That will be over here to your left side, but to the right is that beautiful kitchen, chef's kitchen with your upgraded KitchenAid appliances, quartz countertops on this beautiful island and throughout, your white cabinetry, beautiful finishes. Let's go check out the rest of the house. So just off the kitchen, you're gonna find your laundry room, there's a powder room, and then your door to your 2-car garage that are side by side. We're back in that 2nd living area with a beautiful bar that has been added. So there's a door right over here. There's also a door to your covered lanai on the other side. Right behind me, there's another powder room. That would be a great pool room if you wanted to add in a pool. You can go right out this door and that could have access to your pool. So before we head upstairs, on this side of the house, you're gonna have your private guest suite with a bathroom. And then over here is a mudroom with that tandem garage. Now let's head upstairs. So once you get to the top of the stairs, you're gonna have a nice little landing area that you could turn into an office space, another living area, plenty of options. Now, as you walk down this hallway, you're gonna find 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. For that main event, the master bedroom. So not only is this master bedroom massive, but it also has access to the balcony, as well as 2 out of the 3 secondary bedrooms. Before you step into that master bathroom, there is a his and hers closet on each side. Now, my favorite thing about this bathroom not only is its size, but it's this freestanding tub. Not only does this bathroom have dual vanity sinks, but there's also a vanity on the side as well. There's a shower, walk-in shower, and a throne room. This community will have 38 lots starting at half an acre. As we are making this video, 13 lots have already been sold. This is an HOA community, so that will cover all of your green areas as well as a community dock out to Lake Louise. If you'd like to find out more information about this community or any other community in this area, contact me, Brian, with Ben Laube Homes, or anyone else on our team. Thanks for watching.